Hi everyone, my name is Simran and welcome to my presentation that is my management perspective and style. So these are the topics I would be covering today and I would describe how what kind of manager I would be and how would I be doing in different sectors of work. And I will connect all of this with my Pearson reflections, whatever I have studied in class and through various theories. So let's just begin with what kind of manager am I? Well, I see myself as a democratic and transformational manager, someone who values teamwork, participation, and open communication. I really enjoy motivating people, listening to their ideas, and helping them feel involved in decisions. And as per the Pearson Level assessment, it showed that my strongest dimensions are communication and teamwork. So that confirms that I enjoy working with people rather than controlling them. Let's move forward to management theory connection. My management approach connects with Henry Fayol's administrative theory and Henry Mintzberg's managerial roles. From Fayol, I follow his main functions that are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling to maintain structure and efficiency. From Mintzberg, I relate to interpersonal and decisional roles like being a leader. In group work or job settings, I often take initiative, coordinate tasks, and motivate others to stay focused. Let's just move forward and talk about what kind of a decision maker am I. I would describe myself as an analytical but adaptable decision maker. Before deciding, I like to collect information, consider all the sides, and make it a fair, practical choice. I do understand sometimes it's really very difficult to get all the information in a fast paced environment. So, in that case, I rely upon my experience, on my intuition, and my teamwork. And that's when I get a thoughtful decision. Moving next, and I would like to talk about Herbert Simon's theory and the garbage can model. So, Simon's theory says managers aim to make a rational decision but are limited by time and knowledge, something called bounded rationality. That really fits my experience because I often make the best possible choice with the information I have, and the garbage can model, on the other hand, it really shows that some decisions are like unpredictable and they depend on timing and people involved. And I have seen that happening in like team projects where flexibility and teamwork really led to great outcomes. So my decision making, it combines both logic when possible and adaptability when needed. Moving forward is the level of management and ownership preference. So, I believe I would be successful at the middle management level. I enjoy connecting upper level strategy with the day to day operations, helping employees understand goals, and keeping communication really very clear between the two different tiers. So, middle managers should really play a key role in coordination and motivation, which are both good strengths of mine. So, in future, I would love to own a small business and or maybe in a small partnership because it really offers independence, creativity, and personal responsibility. So, this also matches my management approach. Let's move forward and see how my answers might change in different workplaces. So, if I were managing in a family business, I would focus more on relationship, trust, long-term cooperations. Because the family businesses, they openly rely on emotional intelligence and personal understanding. So, I would really use my communication skills to keep harmony and trust to achieve good results. Whereas if I would be working in a large corporation like, say, Amazon, it would be very different. I would require a structured data driven approach where efficiency and measurable results come first. So that would be it. And even though the context changes, my core values like fairness, adaptability, and collaboration, it would still stay the same. Next, let's look at which management theories I would apply if I were a manager. As a manager, I would apply a mix of Field's, Mintzberg's, and Simon's theories. From Field, I would take structure and organization, setting goals and clear plans. From Mintzberg, I would emphasize communication and interpersonal leadership skills. And from Simon, I would use rational and flexible decision making because these ideas reflect my own approach, being structured but open minded and balancing people with performance. Moving forward is the preferred organizational structure. Well, I think the type of structure I would be most successful in is a flat or team based organization. I work best when communication flows easily, everyone feels really very comfortable, like sharing their ideas. And I would say a flat structure allows quick decision making and reduces unnecessary hierarchy, which helps creativity and teamwork grow. So, finally, let's wrap up with my conclusion and references. To conclude this project that had helped me understand what kind of manager I am, what kind of leader I want to become, I have learned that I should value teamwork, I value structure and adaptability, all important traits for being a successful manager or management. My style connects closely with the ideas of Fuel, Mentzberg, and Simon because they combine organization, communication, and rational decision making. So, overall, I see myself as a motivator and coordinator, someone who helps people succeed while keeping goals clear and achievable. Good management, to me, is about guiding people, not controlling them, and creating an environment where everyone can grow. So, that would be it, and thank you for listening.